हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू टुडे हेडलाइंस। ट्रंप टेक्सास सुप्रीम कोर्ट से न्यूयॉर्क प्रोसिक्यूटर्स कैन सी रिकॉर्ड्स। द यूएस सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज रूल्ड द प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड कैन बी एग्जामिनेड बाय prosecutors in New York. In a related case, the court ruled that his information did not have to be shared with Congress. Mr. Trump has come under fire for not making these tax returns public like his predecessors. His lawyers had regarded that he enjoyed total immunity while in office and that Congress had no valid justification to seek this record. How did Donald Trump make his fortune? 5 claim in Trump Nazi tell all book. Two Democratic control House of Representative Committee and New York District Attorney Chris Vance, also a Democrat, had demanded Mr. Trump Texas documents our several years in order to determine whether current conflict of interest law on U.S. President was thought unfair. Mr. Trump, a Republican, denies wrongdoing and has called the investigation into his tax affairs witch hunt. Supreme Court sent case back to lower court, argument to continue. This is all a political prosecution, he wrote in a series to tweet following the court ruling. What do the ruling means? In the case regarding the request from the New York prosecutors, the Supreme Court ruled by a majority of 7 to 2 that the president did not have absolute immunity from criminal investigations. 200 years ago, a great jurist of court established that no citizen, not even the president, is categorically above the common duty to produce evidence when called upon in a criminal proceeding. The court said, "We reaffirm that principle today." But the two cases regarding congressional committee were closely watched, as they could have had implications on how far as lawmakers could scrutinize the activist of a sitting president. The court ruled that Congress had a significant but not limited power to request the president's personal information. In this case, the court returned the case to the lower court. The next news, Michael Cohen, Trump ex-lawyer, ordered back to jail. Michael Cohen, President Trump ex-personal lawyer, is back in jail. Cohen, who is serving a 3-year sentence related to hash payments made for Mr. Trump, was released from prisons in May due to coronavirus concern. The authorities said Cohen had now been returned to prison after refusing the condition of his home arrest. His lawyer Jeffrey Levin said the conditions would have barred him from speaking to news organizations or posting on social media. Cohen, 53, is serving a 3-year sentence for lying Congress and campaign finance fraud. His return to jail came day after he was spotted on 2 July having dinner with his wife and another couple on Manhattan's Upper East Side.